Oil up as G7 debate Iran nuclear deal. Oil became up on Monday morning in Asia as investors are searching out greater clues from the G7 meeting this week on Russian oil exports and a revival of the Iran nuclear deal. Brent oil futures inched up 0.06% to $109.16 with the aid of 12:56 a.m. ET 0456 GMT, and crude oil WTI futures stabilized at $107.62. Oil fees remained well supported above $100 a barrel as crude and oil product substances remained tight after the West posed sanctions on Russian oil. Leaders of the Group of Seven (G7) are anticipated to speak about approaches to address growing power costs. Measures consist of a possible price cap on Russian crude and oil products exports, which might scale back Russia's sales and on the same time reduce the harm to different economies. It's unclear whether or not a charge cap will gain this outcome, Commonwealth Bank of Australia analyst Vivek Dhar stated in a note. There's still not anything stopping Russia from banning oil and refined product exports to G7 economies in response to a charge cap, exacerbating scarcity conditions in international oil and refined product markets. G7 can even discuss the chance of reviving the Iran nuclear talks after the European Union's foreign policy chief attempted to unblock the stalled negotiations, in step with. This week, buyers' focus is probably on a potential resumed Iran nuclear communique, which could cause a revival of Iran's oil exports, CMC Markets analyst Tina Teng told.